Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. Today I'm going to be wearing and reviewing a wig from this company called ISEEHAIR, and believe me when I say you're not going to want to miss this one. So far, as you can see, the packaging for the wig is just so amazing. That's something I absolutely love as soon as I open this from the shipping package. I was already in love with the bag that it came in and the box. And then after I opened the box, I love what I saw inside as well. The way how it's nicely wrapped up. It looks like a birthday present if you ask me. Anyway, we're gonna get inside of this bag or inside of this box and reveal what we have in there. So the first thing I took from the box was this bonnet, and it says Princess and the name of the company on it. And guess what? Your girl gonna go ahead, take this one off and put it on because I absolutely love it. I love the color. I love everything about it. It's just perfect. Also in the box, I got this regular wig cap, and I also got a pair of HD wig cap. I got this pair of lashes, y'all. 6 pairs coming in, like mwah. And I got this little envelope thingy with some more accessories in there, like this strap that you attach to your wig and extra combs for the wig. So this little pamphlet that came with the wig gives you all the information about the wig, because definitely this wig is much different from all the other wigs I've worn before. So this is what the lace of the wig looks like, or whatever the hair is sewn onto. So they sent this to me so I could show you guys exactly what it looks like. The parting is 6x9, which they say is the largest lace area achieved in pre-cut wigs. So to better explain it to you, from the left to the right is going to be 9 inches, and from the front to the back is going to be 6 inches. I'm going to go ahead and apply some bronzer onto my stocking cap to tone down the color a little bit. And then I'm going to show you guys again some more detail on the little dome thingy that the wig is sewn, the hair is sewn onto, and why it is so much different from all these other wigs that I've worn before. So the clips on it are removable, because sometimes you just want to be able to take these clips out. They can be annoying if you really don't want them in. But if you want them in, you could keep them in. You know what I'm saying? So it's like very versatile for everybody. Here I'm showing you that the one in the back can also be removed and put back. And like I said before, they sent you a replacement. But I'm not going to take this one out just because it looked a little bit more challenging to put back in. We also have a removable and adjustable strap on it. And this adjustable strap I really like, because you could adjust it from both sides of it, wherein some of the adjustable straps you can only adjust one side of it. Also, on the little dome cap thingy, we have this little cutout on the side, and this will go over your ear. And this is what makes this wig so special. As a glueless wig, it will fit so good on your head, like it was made for you, because it has that little cutout spot already that just fits right around your ear. You don't have to worry about cutting your lace to fit over your ear. So I'm putting this on real quick just for the purpose of demonstration, because I feel like you guys kind of wanna or should see, what it looks like without all that hair. If the hair is there, you're not gonna be able to see what I'm trying to show you. But yeah, without the hair, let's show you guys, how this thing fits. As I was trying to adjust the strap, it came off though, and I decided I'm not gonna put it back on, just because it's not the wig we're wearing, it's just the little cap, just to show you guys how it fits on. And as you can see, the lace is very much transparent, which is really nice. And I haven't added anything on it, so this is what you will get your hair on. This is what I'm wearing right here. So enough of that, guys. Let's go straight to the wig. This is what it looks like. I forgot what inch this wig is. I believe it might be 26 inches, but I'm not really sure. I will put that in the description box. But look at the lace on this wig, guys. It is so tiny. Well, not the laces, but the knots. The knots on this wig is so tiny, and that is gonna make it look more realistic. And the lace, like I said, is transparent, like HD type wig. Like, it's the best. You know what I'm saying? When you put this wig on, nobody's gonna know you're wearing a wig. You know what I'm saying? Except for the geniuses, of course, because you got them out there, the wig detectors, they'll detect it. But we're not talking about the wig detectors. We're talking about people who don't really know much about wigs. They're not gonna know we're wearing wigs, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, look at how good that looks. And I noticed when I put it on that I need to tone down the stocking cap some more. So yeah, I took it back off and add more bronzer onto it just to make it looks better. So here I am putting it back on. As you can see, the stocking cap is much darker, just like we needed. And when I put the wig back down on it, it did not show at all. Like, look at that, y'all. Look at that. Straight out the box. I haven't done anything to this wig. Just put it on and look how good that looked. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of fixing up to the wig. I'm not gonna do a lot. I'm not even gonna straighten it. I'm not gonna hot comb it. I'm not doing none of that today, y'all. All I'm doing is I'm gonna add some edge wax stick and comb through it with my comb and fix up the parting a little bit, because I want to show you guys that you really don't have to do nothing to this wig coming straight out of the box. So just imagine if I did, you know, add some hot comb on it, if I had straightened it a little bit more, like how good that would have looked. But yeah, I'm not gonna do anything more to it. Like I said, I'm just gonna do what I'm doing right here. I'm not gonna trim it, nothing. Y'all, look at this. Look at this. No glue. No glue, no spray, nothing. We don't need that today. And look how good this wig is looking. Yes, we are all done. I don't need to do anything more to it except to show you guys the finished look. You know what I'm saying? And this is it. Look at how good this wig looks. This wig is worth every penny. From I opened the box, I knew it though. So I backed up so you guys could see the full length of the wig, and guys, look how long and beautiful this wig is. And like I told y'all, I did not flat iron the wig. This is straight from the pack. If I did, I would have showed it, and if I did, it would have looked much straighter too. But I wanted it to look and feel just like it came out the pack, you know what I'm saying? I didn't want it to look too silky or anything like that. I feel like it looks much more natural too, looking like that. So I didn't want to flat iron it and change anything about it. I just wanted to show you guys how the wig looks straight out the box. I definitely have to give this wig a 10 out of 10. Like, I cannot give it a different rating besides that, because everything is great with this wig. Everything is just perfect, from the packaging to the wig itself is just perfect. And that dome cap thingy that I show y'all, the way how they create the wig, the way how they do all them little details to make sure this wig fits on you perfectly well. I just love that. So guys, I'm gonna leave all the information for the wig down below in the description box, so make sure you check that out. It's gonna be there for you, so you could go on their website and find this wig and any other wig that they may have. I really appreciate y'all watching and tuning into my channel. Once more, we on the road to 100K, guys. And if you haven't already subscribed, I would really love it if you would go ahead and click that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.